What if I told you that you could start a creative small business from home with less than $100? In this video, I'll show you a beginner-friendly embroidery project that can be turned into personalized hook art, paper embroidery, laser-cut wood embroidery, using only 4 basic embroidery stitches. No experience needed. Let's see what you'll get from this project. 1. PDF patterns in 6 sizes 3 to 8 inch. You can print this PDF pattern onto water-soluble stick and stitch paper. Peel and stick it onto your fabric, and start stitching. Or simply transfer the pattern onto fabric and begin your embroidery project. Two. Paper embroidery pattern. This paper embroidery pattern is designed to be printed on thick cardstock. You can use a thumbtack to poke the holes along the circles in the pattern. Then simply stitch through the holes to create your own beautiful paper embroidery project. 3. Laser cut SVG file for wood embroidery. The SVG files come in 2 options, without a hanging hole, like the finished sample shown here. With a hanging hole like this one, simply laser cut your preferred version and start your wood embroidery project. Four. 50 stitch practice patterns in 2 designs, each available in 6, 7, and 8 inch sizes. Come with a full video tutorial. They're perfect for beginners to practice and learn stitches easily. Just pick a design and start your embroidery journey. 5. Freehand Embroidery Beginner's Guide PDF with all the instructions, tips, and a full YouTube video tutorial. 6. Resizable PNG and SVG files. Ready to start your embroidery business journey. If you want more materials and supplies, comment as business for more details. Full DIY kit and pattern link in the video description. Now, let's dive into the stitching tutorial for this pattern. Whether you're an embroidery enthusiast or starting your own small business, let's get started together. If you love embroidery, you can pick our DIY full kit with your custom name, letters, or short phrase and enjoy creating it yourself. This project uses only 4 basic embroidery stitches: woven wheel stitch, lazy daisy stitch, back stitch, French knot stitch. Woven wheel stitch, also called a spider web rose. Start by stitching 5 straight lines with 6 strands of thread, crossing at the center. Tie a knot at the back so you have 12 threads coming from the center. Begin weaving the thread around the spokes. Go over one spoke, skip the next, and continue in a circular motion. Keep weaving until all the spokes are covered. Insert the needle into any space and secure to finish the stitch. Lazy daisy stitch. Bring the needle up through the hole. Insert the needle back into the same hole, leaving a loop on the surface. Bring the needle up at the tip of the loop to anchor its same hole in and out. Back stitch. Bring the needle up through the second hole. Back up a short distance and insert the needle. Bring the needle up through the third hole and back down through the second hole. Repeat this process till done. French knot stitch. Bring the needle up. Wrap the thread around the needle 2 times. Insert the needle back into the same hole. Hold the thread gently and pull the needle through slowly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more small business ideas, beginner-friendly embroidery patterns, and helpful tools.